Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to analyze forecast next week gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week we made massive profit from the gold trading. So Telegram link is there. You can join with the gold trading community. So I'm in a daily chart gold. You can see this trend line price push from this trend line to the upside, and also you can see the above trend line. So price rejected from this above trend line. Now price is in this above trend line with the technical picture daily chart. So price can be dropped to the this below trend line again, and price break this above trend line and retest can be continue to the upside. That's the two scenarios can be happen next week. So upside target is the 3400 is the resistance level. That's the daily chart. That's the below target. Price break out to the below trend line and retest. That's the below target is the 3100. So that's the two scenarios can be happen next week. So let's see the what are the important economic data, economic events next week. So FX Street website mentioned gold price fails below 3,300 on strong US dollar as the Trump reignites China tensions. Again, trade war, trade tension in China. So that's the global uncertainty, trade war uncertainty. That's the gold price can be pushed to the upside. Remember, gold is the safe haven asset. So again, trade deal uncertainty, trade war uncertainty is there. Remember. So that's the FX Street website mention. So let's see the what is the next week economic events with the regarding US dollar. That's the labor market is the so important next week regarding US dollar. So non-farm employment change data on next week Friday, that's the 177k is the previous one. Fed forecast to 130k, and the unemployment rate 4.2%. That's the important economic events in next week Friday. So that's the Fed Watch Tool website that shows June FOMC meeting. You can see 97% forecast to post the rate again in 4.5%. So current rate is the American Central Bank 4.5%. That's the labor market next week. Important. This is the 4-hour chart. Technically, well, let's see the what are the important levels, important zones you should touch with next week. This is the 4-hour chart. So this zone I have already mentions this level. So my last week videos, you can see this level 3285.90 zone. This level is the that we call maximum pain level. Several times price rejected and touched this level. You can see this the first time, second time, and also now price is in this level. So important level in price. So for our chart technical picture shows that's the, I have mentioned this pattern left shoulder head and the right shoulder. This the head and shoulder pattern. I have mentioned this pattern in last week video. So you can see the below line. So price, this area is the liquidity collection area. You can see price drop from this area and again push to the upside, not like this retest and not continue to the downside. So this is a liquidity area. So you can see the price collect this liquidity, and you can see that this left side resistance, this is the left side resistance. This left side resistance become support in right side. You can see this resistance is the left side. So this resistance becomes support in right side. You can see price again push to the upside. So that's the price section. That's the technically picture shows in a 4-hour chart. So this about trend line is, I am thinking, so important. This trend line price break out this trend line and retest. That is your buy opportunity in next week gold trading. So you should wait and carefully see the price action. So this above trend line, you can see price break out this trend line and again retest. That is your buy opportunity in next week. So that's the technically picture shows in the 4 hour chart. So like this you can see break out this trend line and retest. That is your buy opportunity 3400. Next 3500 can be target. So global uncertainty, trade war uncertainty continuing in next week. That is your buy opportunity. And price breakout and retest like this, and that is your sell opportunity. So next week so next level sell target is the 3100. So this is the I am forecast in this is telling I am telling imported zones with gold trading. So imported levels, imported zones. I am going to the 1 hour chart. So this is the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart imported level. Let's see, this level is the also in imported 1 hour chart. So this level, you can see this level. So 3285.80 zone, this is the level. This level is so important with the 1 hour chart technically picture. So price can be pushed to the upside or drop to the downside with this level. You should see the price action and candlesticks action this level. So like this can be a head and shoulder pattern like this. So left shoulder head, right shoulder. So next resistance level is the this level 3300. 2030 level is the next resistance level. So that's the shows in the 1 hour chart technically picture shows that's the important level, important zones with the gold trading next week. So price not break this like this and break to downside and continue to the downside. That is your sell opportunity in gold trading. So below target is the 3200 is the below level targets. That's the important level, important zones with the daily chart, 4 hour chart and 1 hour chart. So let's see the weekly chart. So weekly chart, you can see seller sign active in last week. So last week candle, weekly candle is the red candle. You can see this is the sellers are inactive in last week. So US dollar is strong, but the global uncertainty is continuing. That's the remember gold is the safe haven asset if we are trading gold. So you can join with my telegram, link is below. So thank you very much.